Okay, look what I found at Goodwill for $14.99. Listen, this dress is absolutely perfect for what I have in mind for my closet upgrade in my master bedroom. However, that is at least 4 or 5 months down the line because I have other projects I want to do prior. So, in the meantime, I'm going to give this dresser a slight facelift with some Dollar Tree products, and I'm going to actually use it. So, stick around. Okay, let's get started. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna clean the dresser. And I have some crud killers, so that's what I'm gonna use to clean the dresser. Although I will be redoing this dresser in the future, and on this project I will be covering up most of the dresser, I still want to make sure that I get it as clean as I can get it. So I'm using warm water and just a crud cutter cleaner that's available at Walmart and Amazon. I bought mine from Amazon, but I know they sell it in Walmart also. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to let that address closer to see. Now there's a lot of marks. Look like something hot was set on here, so it burned into the paint. This has actually been painted. So for right now, we're just gonna do a little camouflage, and then we're gonna cover up the image. Then I am going to prepare. Right here, I got these tile decals from the Dollar Tree. So I'm gonna have to go and cut some more to fit the rest of the drawers. So I'm gonna let this dry while I go and cut some more.
You want something special? Trying to create something nice. Just pick up a pencil and take my advice. Come with me and you'll see everything that crafting can do.
Okay, I've decided to put the panels just like the two that I have. So I'm gonna put one on each side of the handles on all the rest of the drawers. And I'm going to leave the middle open for right now. I definitely will decorate it. For the top of the dresser, I have 2 table runners that I'm going to cut to fit the dresser. They're silver, and all I do is place one down, and then the second one I will cut in order for it to fit. So once I have them measured, I'm going to use small pieces of double-sided tape to keep them from sliding. Again, this is a temporary upgrade, so I don't want them stuck down permanently. So I decided to use the double-sided tape just to keep them from sliding when I'm putting stuff on top of the dresser. So I have a lot, well, not a lot, but I have some of this table runner left, and I'm going to cut this and see if I have enough to go around the drawer pulls. So let me see. So I measured the drawer and cut the remaining table runner into 6 separate pieces to fit the 6 drawers. Okay, so I took the hardware off. So the drawer pulls, I probably should have did that prior to cleaning. So now I got to go back and I'm going to clean where the knobs was at. Then I'm going to put on the decorative pieces that I cut out. So I cut out enough pieces for each drawer. However, I do have 2 drawer pulls that are not quite, they kind of messed up. So Let me show you what the normal ones look like. So this is the regular one. And I have the top two drawers are missing this little crystal part. So I gotta do something to compensate for that. But in the meantime, I'm gonna go ahead and wipe the front of these drawers. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I am going to put my little cutout right here. So I'm gonna try my best to even it out so I won't have to cut it no more. I've taken all the hardware off as I said before, and I think I'm wanting it all the way to the top. I think that's how I did that one. All the way to the top. So let me put the non-cut edge at the top. Yep, that's where I want it. I'm going to start by putting the first one in. So right here, I have where the hole is at. However, trying to get my dirty shoes out the camera. However, I might need to cut that just a tad. So I'm going to cut right here. This portion out right here. And it'll be covered by the knob. So I'm just gonna cut that little portion out. And I am going to cut this little portion out right here. I'm gonna let it pop in that jar so I won't have to go look for it. Okay, so once we got that done, all we're gonna do is put the hardware back on. Make sure we have it seated right.
You'll agree, I can make a thing of beauty and then pass it on to you. It's Double J Graphics, Double J. Oh, graphics, 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 graphics.
These two top drawers that have these two handles that are broken. They don't have the little crystal part or whatever it is, ceramic or whatever it is that's on there. So I have a choice. I have these, but I only have two of them. And I have these, and I have enough of them to fill all four holes. I'm liking these, and I'm gonna do something to be able to use these. Let me see. Looks good so far. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drill a hole between those two, and I'm just gonna have this one little pull because this sort of matches that. Well, it does match it better than those. The other ones I could spray paint silver or maybe like a gray. I could do that, but I think I'm gonna use these. Yeah, I already got clothes in the drawer. So let me get ready. I'm gonna drill a hole in there now. Okay, so I used a piece of metallic tape to go right across where the holes are at. I'm not gonna cover the holes because I don't know what I'm gonna do as a final for this. This is only temporary. So what I'm gonna do is measure between there. Okay. So it's 6 up and down, and width is 6.5, and a little bit past 6.5, okay? So I'm gonna try to mark me a center line, and that's where I'm gonna drill my hole at. Fine. Make sure it's going straight in and out at an angle. There we go. Okay, so now. Okay, since I have different drawer pulls on the top two drawers, I decided to use some scraps that I had left from the table runner instead of covering the whole spot. Since there are different drawer pulls at the top, so I decided to do a slightly different design. And this design I'm going to put on the same way the other ones I put on. I'm going to put the table runner up, cut a hole in it where the where the drawer pull goes, and then screw it in. I'm also going to use some double-sided tape on the sides just so the design does not flip around. The door pull will be actually in the middle, so to keep it from flipping around, I put some double-sided tape on each side. The screw is a little bit too long, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut a piece of this. Turn on that light. I'm gonna actually cut a piece of this runner and use it as a washer on the inside. So I'm just gonna cut a piece and I'm gonna put the screw through that. So for this particular drawer and the screw size I had, I ended up using 3 pieces of the table runner on the inside, then continue to put it together. So the 3 pieces acted as a washer so that the screw would actually get tight on the door pull. Once I finished that, I went back and I put the double-sided tape on the end so it wouldn't flip around. Okay, the only thing left to do is the top of the dresser. I actually used some silver metallic tape around the front portion. I used it on the edge. Once I finished using that, I used the portion of the panels that I put on the front of the drawer. I used the leftover portion to finish out the top of the drawer where the table runner does not fit all the way across. Okay, that completes it. I think it's pretty good for a temporary fix. I've already started putting my clothes in there, and I'm still so happy about this $15 Goodwill find. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back and watching this video. For those of you that are new, please hit that subscribe button. And everyone hit the bell so you can be notified when I upload new and exciting content. I would also appreciate if you would hit that thumbs up to let me know I'm doing a good job. Until next time, I hope you all have a great day and enjoy your holidays. It's holiday season and I'm just trying to keep busy so the blues won't take over. So, I'll see you all the next time. Here's some pictures of the completed project. I hope you like it.
Double J, double J, double J, graphics, graphics, graphics.